Alright, so I am going to show you how to make the little paper springs. Some of you guys may have made stuff like this before, but these are what go between our layers to give it that depth. So to make these, you will need 2 of these strips. Okay, these are also just construction paper. These will make about 2 springs, and it depends on, you can make them just slightly taller, but I think these are about perfect size. You don't want them too tall because then your sculpture will kind of start hanging down as it gets more and more layers on it. Anyway, so you start at the end. You're going to put a little bit of glue right on the end here. Okay, and then you're going to take it and you're going to glue it on in the corner at a 90-degree angle. Okay, so you have like a little 90-degree angle here of strips. Now I want you to remember the number 6. You are going to be folding this over 6 times. So see this little crease? I always like to hold it like this and use my right hand because I'm right-handed. You're going to fold it over the crease, the one that's underneath. You're going to turn it, do the same thing. That's 2. Turn it, 3, 4, 5, and on the 5th one, since we want to finish it with 6, you're going to put glue on top of the 5th one, and then you're going to turn over the 6th one, okay, and push it down nice and hard, okay? As soon as you do that, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to trim off the edges, okay? So you have one little spring done. Now you have these pieces to repeat. So I'll do it one more time. If you need narrower ones, okay, what you're going to do with this strip is you're going to carefully cut it in half. And you'll do the same thing, but with a smaller strip. So some of you might have some skinnier letters. If that's you, you're going to have narrower springs, which they're a little bit harder to make because the paper is skinnier. Six. So it's a little bit skinnier too. So if you're going to do it this way, you might even go like 8 or 10. So it might actually take a little bit longer to make them if they're narrower. I want to investigate and see. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see what 10 looks like. And 10. Which I did glue 1, so it will make a tiny, tiny, tiny difference. But alright, so those are closer in thickness. This one took 10 to get it this thick.